Installing SciPy and NumPy using pip. I'm trying to create required libraries in a package I'm distributing. It requires both the SciPy and NumPy libraries. While developing, I installed both using which installed SciPy 0.9.0 and NumPy 1.5.1, and it worked fine. I would like to do the same using pip install, in order to be able to specify dependencies in a setup.py of my own package. The problem is, when I try it works fine. But then fails miserably, with how do I get it to work?
I am assuming Linux experience in my answer. I found that there are 3 prerequisites to getting pip install SciPy to proceed nicely. Go here, installing SciPy. Follow the instructions to download, build and export the env variable for BLAS and then the pack. Be careful to not just blindly cut and paste the shell commands. There will be a few lines you need to select depending on your architecture, etc., and you'll need to fix/add the correct directories that it incorrectly assumes as well. The third thing you may need is to yum install NumPy f2py or the equivalent. Oh, yes, and lastly, you may need to yum install gcc Fortran, as the libraries above are Fortran source.
This worked for me on Ubuntu 14.04.
You need the liblas and liblapack dev packages if you are using Ubuntu.
Since the previous instructions for installing with yum are broken, here are the updated instructions for installing on something like Fedora. I've tested this on Amazon Linux ME 2016.03.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.